Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will start week number 4, and in this week we will cover the lecture number 7 and 8, and we will discuss the fifth step of marketing process. And fifth step is basically the last step of marketing process that we were discussing. Let's have a look on this. It is the fifth step of marketing process. We have studied first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and now in this class today we will discuss the fifth step, which is creating value for capturing value from customers. So in capturing value from customer, first of all we will see the growing share of customer. First of all, we have to understand what is customer share. Customer share is the portion of the customer's purchasing that company gets in its product category. किसी एक प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी के अंदर एक कस्टमर ने का जो पोर्शन होगा परचेज का, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं कस्टमर शेयर. ये शेयर ऑफ कस्टमर. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कस्टमर इक्विटी. कस्टमर इक्विटी का मतलब क्या होता है? दिस इज बेसिकली द टोटल कंबाइंड कस्टमर लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल कंपनीज कस्टमर्स. इट मींस द टोटल कस्टमर लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू. जब हम कस्टमर को वन टाइम चीज परचेज करते हैं तो वो हमारा कस्टमर बन जाता है, लेकिन जब वो हमारा लॉयल कस्टमर बन जाता है, एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स, दैट satisfied customer becomes your loyal customer. So the loyal customer reinforces their purchase. Loyal customer reinforces the purchase. So students, when we talk about the customer equity, it comes from the loyalty of the customer, satisfaction of the customer, and since the customer is satisfied, since the customer is loyal, then he will reinforce the purchase and he will purchase your product in his life, throughout in his life. When a person is purchasing your product throughout his life, it is basically the customer's equity. It is the total customer's lifetime values, total customers lifetime values of all the company's customers. ठीक है जी, सारे के सारे कस्टमर्स का जो लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू होता है एक कस्टमर का, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं कस्टमर्स इक्विटी. So there is some mathematical formulas to find this. We will not go into that mathematical formula. So how can we build customer equity? Customer equity is built after giving a superior product or superior value to the customers, that our product is superior, our product's features are better than competitors. So these are basically the keys to get customers equity. So customers equity is the financial value of firm's customer relationship and consists of two things. Number one, profit from first time customer and expected profit from future sales. It means when we sell when we sell our product for the first time it is the start of the process of making a very good relationship with customers. And after selling the product for the very first time, we try to build a strong relationship with customer. And in this regard, we have already studied CRM in week 3. Okay, we build a strong relationship, and as the consequence of the strong relationship with our customer, our customer starts purchasing our product. So when our customer starts purchasing our product, this is basically about the expected profit from the sales in future. So students, here we have two basic aspects. Number one, we are supposed to make our customers, create customer, and after creating customer, we are not supposed to let them go. We have to retain them, and we have to offer them superior value so they purchase our products throughout their lives. So let's come to the next slide. So there are three steps, or there are three ways to increase customer equity. If we want to increase customers equity, so there are three different ways. Number one, decrease the cost of acquiring new customers. First of all, we are supposed to keep retaining our existing customers. So we should decrease the cost of acquiring new customers. We should not go to create new customer and sell them product for one time and then we let them go, and then we try to acquire new customers and sell them our product for the first time and one time and let them go, and we just try to find new customers. So this should not be our process. Our process should be to find new customers, and when we have found new customers for first purchase, we have to make very good strong relationship with them and to and to make them purchase our product again and again. So here we should not go for creating new customers, but we should go to retain more customers longer. It means that creating new customers is not our policy. Our policy is to retain the existing customers, those customers who have already purchased our product, and we want them to purchase our product again and again, even throughout the life. Number three, increase profits from retained customers by selling them more higher margins with lower marketing expenses. When we make our customers loyal, after giving a superior value, then our customer will prefer our product even after we have raised the price. Example, तहजीब बेकर्स जो है, इनका 1 पाउंड केक जो है वो अब तकरीबन 1000 रुपीस का हो गया है, पाकिस्तानी रुपीस। तो अब अगर तहजीब बेकर्स का केक 1000 रुपीस में सेल हो रहा है, तो क्या कस्टमर्स परचेज नहीं कर रहे? आंसर है कि नहीं, कस्टमर परचेज कर रहे हैं, even if they have raised the profit margin and even if they have raised the prices. Customers are loyal to the company and customers are purchasing. This is what the Tehzeeb Bakers is getting value from the customers in return. So if we want to create customer value or customer equity, or if we want to increase customer equity, we have to understand our short-term orientation. What is short-term orientation? G. What is short-term orientation? In short-term orientation, we find new customers. Okay, and finding new customer is not a strategic plan, is not a long-term plan, because all the time we find new customers, even whether they are satisfied or they are not satisfied, they will go and we will not catch them again, and we will go and find new customer. So this is called a short-term orientation or short-term planning. But on the other hand, when we have long-term orientation or we have a long-term plan, it means that we will work on existing customers, we will try to get their feedback, we will make a very good system which is called customer relationship management system, and according to that system we will try to find their needs, their wants, when we will try to find the solution of their needs, and we will try to try to come up to the expectations, and then we will make a very strong relationship with our existing customers, so they become our loyal customer and we get customer equity, and ultimately we get value from our customers in return. So what are the three keys to build customer relationship? There are some other aspects. Let's see. High loyalty levels lead to increased sales growth, higher profitability, higher customer equity. It means that we should make, as I am saying again and again, that loyalty of customer is very much important. So customer has to be loyal. So after being loyal, his sales growth will increase and the profitability and customer equity will be higher as a result, as a consequence. Next, number 2, completely delighted and satisfied customers are best earning customer loyalty. And how can we get loyalty of the customer? We should delight them. What is delight? Customer satisfied. That this is the next level of customer satisfaction. It is customer delight. So when customers are delighted or when customers are satisfied, then we can earn customers loyalty to a great extent, and loyal customers will result in higher sales and higher customers equity with higher profitability for the company. Next, exceptional value is needed to delight customer satisfy customers. It means when we have to satisfy the customers, we have to give them a value, and customer value we have already studied what is customer value, and we have already discussed in week 3 that what is value proposition, and we have discussed the example of Prado and Mehran in that lecture. Okay, how can we capture value from the customers? As we have already studied, let's have a conclusive arguments on this. Right relationship with the right customer involves treating customers as assets and need to be managed and maximized. We have to understand that right relation with right customer. And one thing more which should be in our mind, that every customer does not deserve our marketing efforts. That every customer does not deserve our marketing efforts. There are some customers who are low margin customers. Low margin customers are the customers who do not consume our product frequently. When a customer does not consume our product frequently, we should not waste our time on him to make him loyal, where rather we should put our efforts and we should spend our time to satisfy or to get loyalty of the customers whose margin is relatively high, okay, and who uses our product frequently. So this is the first conclusive remark, that right relationship with right customers means every customer does not deserve our marketing efforts. That's why we will not waste our time serving and managing the unuseful or useless customers. We will try to make relationship with the customer whose margin or purchase margin is relatively higher. Different type of customer require different type of relationship management strategies. It means this customer, different type of customers need different type of strategies. जैसे कि उर्दू में कहा करते हैं पंजाबी में कि जैसा मुंह होगा हम वैसे ही चपेट मारेंगे. इट मींस कि जिस तरह का कस्टमर होगा हम वैसे ही उसको ऑफर करेंगे. वो कस्टमर जो हमारे साथ लॉन्ग टर्म चलना चाहेगा, जिसका परचेज वॉल्यूम बहुत ज्यादा होगा, जो ज्यादा तादाद में हमसे चीज खरीदेगा, उसको हम लोग जंबो ऑफर देंगे, उसको हम लोग कॉम्बोज की ऑफर देंगे. ऑन द अदर हैंड वो कस्टमर जो कभी कभी हमसे परचेज करेगा तो उसके लिए हम लोग जंबो ऑफर और कॉम्बो ऑफर उसके लिए नहीं होगी, उसके लिए कोई गिफ्ट्स नहीं होंगे, उसके लिए कोई एडिशनल चीज नहीं होगी. वी विल ट्रीट both the customers with high and low margin customers separately, differently, because they have different natures. So अभी आजकल के ज़माने में मार्केटिंग लैंडस्केप जो है वो चेंज हो चुकी हुई है, ठीक है, और अनसर्टनिटी इन्वायरमेंट के अंदर आ चुकी है. इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन अनसर्टन है, जिसकी वजह से हमारा जो कस्टमर होता है वो बहुत फ्रजाइल हो चुका हुआ है, और उसके साथ साथ किफ़ायतशारी बहुत ज़्यादा आ चुकी हुई है. और उसके साथ साथ हम लोग देखेंगे मार्केटर्स फोकस ऑन वैल्यू फॉर द कस्टमर्स. और मार्केटिंग जो है, जैसे कि बताया कि मार्केटर्स जो है वो फोकस कर रहे होते हैं कस्टमर्स की तरफ. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स की तरफ आएंगे. डिजिटल एज, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जी. इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल आर कंसर्न विद कंटिन्यूसली पीपल टू इन्फॉर्म वर्ल्ड वाइड. जैसे कि इंटरनेट आ चुका है, जिसकी वजह से इंटरनेट और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रही है. हम वेट करेंगे इस अगले वीक